Hey guys, I am back. I know it has been a hot minute. I apologize for that. Summer vacation, kids, all that kind of stuff. Today I stopped off again at Chick-fil-A. This year is Dr. Pepper. I also got another one of the peach milkshakes. I'm gonna eat this cherry before it like melts in there. And I can't get it out. Just got back from my second or third post-op for my foot surgery. I can finally get my foot wet. They put it in this like soaking bath and it was so gross. Imagine like not being able to wash your feet for like weeks. Oh, I love those peach milkshakes. Alright, so I got a number one, which is just the basic grilled, or not grilled, but battered chicken with this bun, and then a couple pickles on it. Only sandwiches that I'll eat with pickles. And then waffle fries. And the sauces that I got are the Polynesian sauce and Chick-fil-A sauce. I like both of those. So let's dig into this. I gotta get back home because Scott has to get ready for work. And in a few weeks we are going to the beach. I don't know if I told you guys or not. I don't think so. We're going to Virginia Beach. We rented out a condo for the week. I'm so excited to get away. The doctor told me though that I have to make sure I have nice supportive shoes, because even on the beach I'm not going to be able to walk like barefoot, because I'm not ready for that yet, apparently. But I don't have to wear the really big boot anymore. They gave me one it's like a smaller surgical shoe. I might show it to you guys. But it's got like a really high heel on it, so it's not putting like the weight on the front of my feet. The stitches were really itchy, but I got those taken out today, so I feel so much better already. And I am just hungry because it's 3 o'clock. All I've had was 2 cups of coffee. And in one of my other videos recently, I said that my neighbor got a dog, a little Cocker Spaniel. They have a long-haired dachshund too, like one of the wiener dogs, and he's pretty old. But the new puppy that they got, the husband is actually allergic to her, so they're probably gonna have to get rid of her. And I'm wondering if maybe we'll be able to take her, because Crystal loves that dog, and she is really cute. My mom doesn't want any more animals though, so we'll see where it goes. And the puppy's only like 10 or 11 weeks old. It's not very old, so she's still really little. And they're crate training her and stuff like that, so she won't like destroy the house or like poop and pee everywhere overnight. But Chris can't be around her because he's breaking out in like hives every single time he touches the dog. So, I don't know. But with my surgery and stuff, everything's healing up really good. The doctor says everything looks amazing. I just did what they told me to do, to the T. They did a little bit of ultrasound on it to like soften up the scar tissue and stuff. And did that soaking bath thing, which felt so good. They only let me in it for like 3 minutes though. Because it has some like chemical to like help slough the skin off, which sounds really gross, but it feels so good. Because I've been having to like wrap my feet up in like plastic wrap and like tape it all up so it couldn't get wet. They finally took the tape and stuff off and the stitches out, so before, my third toe in had a bit of tape, had a bit of tape like around the bottom, so it was like lifting my toe, it was like lifting my toe up like that, and it was so annoying, and I was constantly like wanting to curl my toes. So now that I got that off, I can try to walk like normally, well, as normal as I can with this weird boot thing. I know y'all are like, shut up and get to the sandwich. This Chick-fil-A is always busy. They're all busy. Alright. And there has been a couple people that have been like walking in to like clock in and stuff. They have so many people working in there too. Everybody's got their own little job that they do, and it works really good because they get people in and out fast. But people are still like parking way over there and like having to walk across the intersection to get over here. Alright. And this thing was so hot. I'm glad I like set everything up before I start filming. And let it cool down a little bit. Alright, so I got my Polynesian sauce here. It's gonna get little bread flakies everywhere. Excuse me. Polynesian sauce. They do have good chicken that actually tastes like chicken. And the breading is crispy. And the bun's like not overpowering like in flavor, but it doesn't taste cheap either like McDonald's. I've been getting tired of McDonald's. Somebody's got a loud car. Yeah, so I gotta start packing up and stuff for vacation. I gotta clean the van out here and get it serviced. I mean, it's only a couple hour drive, but still, I don't want to break down far away from home. It sucks though, because my mom can't go. Because she didn't get approved for vacation. So she's going to have to stay behind and maybe come down on the weekend. So she'll get like 2 days, maybe a day and a half. And same with Scott. So it's going to be me, the kids, and my dad. I invited Crystal's family to come down for a day or two, though. She said she'll get back to me. I'm gonna have to open up this other Chick-fil-A sauce. The bread, like, it keeps coming off on, like, my fingers and stuff. And see how it, like, peels its way off? I don't know if that's because of the bag that they put them in, because it's like a little foil lined bag that keeps the heat in, but it also makes the buns kind of soggy. What's up with all these people acting like they don't know what the hell they're doing? Probably because they don't. Yeah, I think the Chick-fil-A sauce is my favorite. Yeah. And it was, how much was this again? 10 something? $10.69. So, fast food's not cheap. I've said that before. And the last time I took that peach milkshake home, though, man, there was like half of it left. The kids finished drinking it in like 2 minutes. Oh! See, it's like actual chicken now. Chicken and pickles. It's a weird combination, but it works. And Aria's almost finished with her summer camp. Logan lost like another tooth yesterday. Like, his teeth are just falling out of his head. He's losing them back to back. Aria lost her first tooth a couple weeks ago. I don't know if I said that or not. She would cry like every single time Logan lost a tooth and she hadn't lost one yet, because he'd get money for it. And she was like, mine are never gonna fall out. They're never coming out. And I was like, yes, they are. You just gotta wait. And she's like, but when? Like, she wanted a date. Like, your teeth are gonna start falling out on this day. And for almost a year, because he's 11 months older than her, so his teeth obviously started coming out before hers. And she was so upset for like almost a whole year. Oh yeah, I forgot it's got like chunks of peaches in it. That's actually like refreshing for a milkshake too. Who else sits in their car and just like people watches? Like if they're waiting for somebody or whatever, eating like me, just sit and watch people and wonder about their lives. Like, I wonder where that lady's going right now. Uh-oh, I got somebody parking next to me. Maybe she's gonna do a mukbang too. Probably not. I'm the only weirdo around here that videotapes myself while I'm eating. Like, I could be talking to somebody in my family or something while I'm on my lunch break. Uh-oh. I'm telling you guys, I'm such a messy eater. I have stuff all over me. And I got like this really cute halter top on, but my boobs are like falling out of it. Get back in there, guys. I need to catch up on some Trisha Paytas's videos. And the last one I watched, she was like, this is my last mukbang ever. I'm not doing any more mukbangs. And I was like, okay. And it was like 2 days later and she's posting another mukbang. It's like, girl, that's your money maker. Like, you know that you can't stop doing that. But she wants to try to get healthy, which I understand, but it'd probably be a lot easier if she wasn't in the limelight of YouTube. See, for me, it's not that bad because nobody knows me. Nobody cares, so... I still try to be consistent, though. Because obviously some people do like it. Which is cool. I don't mind spending time with you guys. You guys never disagree with me. You never talk back. I can change the conversation whenever I want. And you guys are quieter than my kids, so it's all pluses for me. Speaking about changing the subject, the nurse lady was like, I love your makeup. Every single time you come in here, your makeup is so pretty. I love the colors. I was like, thank you. I got like pinks and purples today. Uh-oh. Only got a few little waffle fries left. And at least they don't skimp you on them. Like, because the box thing's pretty decent size, but they make sure that they pack them in there. Like McDonald's, by the time they get like shaken down into the box, it's like not even halfway full. A good bit of the time anyway. I feel like I'm forgetting to tell you guys something. Told you about my foot. Told you about vacation. Told you about Crystal's dog. We'll see if we can convince my mom to take in the dog. I doubt it. Crystal's like, oh, don't worry about it. I'll have your mom. I'll pressure your mom into it. And I was like, you don't know my mom. My mom will be like, right to your face, like, oh, it's the cutest dog ever, like, she's so sweet, and stuff like that, and then turn around and tell me, like, I don't ever want to deal with the dog again. Like, I feel sorry for her, kind of stuff. Alright. Last bite. It has been so freaking humid. And Munch has been talking up a storm. It was like that with all three of my kids. Like, they were almost like mute. Like, not even trying to say words. And then it's like, as soon as they learn one word, they'll say that word for weeks on end. And then you're like constantly trying to get them to learn a new word and they won't do it. And then out of nowhere, they learn like 15 words a day and then they won't shut up from then on for the rest of their lives. Like, my kids don't even shut up in my dreams. That's how much they talk. I really like these. Oh, somebody else parked over there. Alright, I'm going to do one more bite of this. It's so hard for me to eat the whole things. And like I said, I do not eat to make myself sick. I won't do that. I just share a particular meal with you guys and all that. Here, let me show you this fancy boot real quick. Alright, take it off though. I'm not hiking my leg up over the steering wheel. Got a little bit of gauze to protect the area. I've got a short, like, 2-minute video where I showed my actual, like, cut in my foot and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want me to post it. Like, I know a lot of people are really, like, sensitive about feet, and I understand. So I don't want to, like, post it and offend anybody or anything. Alright, so it's not cute or pretty or anything like that. At least it's got tread and it's squared, so I can't hit my toes on anything at all. But you can see the rocker on it. So all the weight, and they have like different kinds. So they'll have ones with like the rocker part up here if they don't want you putting pressure on your heel. But since mine's on the front, they want all the weight to be on the back instead of on the front. So straps over like that, straps over my ankle. I can start putting on socks and stuff like that. And I can do another video because they took the stitches out and everything today, so I can show you guys my foot and everything and like what it looks like. Just let me know. I'll post the other one if you want me to. Like I said, just feet are one of those things that some people are like really, really grossed out by, so let me know. But anyways, I'm going to go. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, become a member of my family, because we would love to have you. If not, oh well. Alright, and I will see you guys in the next one, okay? Love you. Bye!